Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen and Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do an Arm Jive Triple Walkaround. Having experience with an Arm Jive and an Arm Jive Triple would be really helpful, and any old walkaround move to get an idea for that as well. I'll put links to versions in the description below, so if you want to go back and look at stuff, it's going to be easy for you to find. Without further ado, the move looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. Are 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3. So let's just get a kind of feel for doing the footwork on our own. So if we face the front, and all we're going to do is we're going to take the right over the left, step left, take the right over the left. Then we're going to bring the left around and go across in front to go left over the right, step, left over the right. If we repeat that, so we go cross and cross, cross and cross, and we're just going to do that with a partner, and we're going to be going around each other as we do it. So it's like we're going round one way and then back, and round one way and then back. So if we start off man's left, lady's right, we go semicircle back, 2 hands. From here, guys are going to head forwards left, ladies are going to head forwards right, so we get cross, squaring up, carrying on, going round, cross again. We're going to go round with the back leg to go across in front, and we change direction. So we go cross, squaring up, crossing again. Repeat. We go cross and cross, cross and cross, and all we do from here is return the lady, and we are done. Let's go to the other side. Not that it's going to look very different, and we'll talk numbers. So we go back 1, we cross 2 and cross 3, changing direction. We cross 4 and 5, we cross 6 and 7, we cross 8 and 1, returning the lady 2 and back 3. So you should end up back where you started if everything's gone well. You will often find that when people are learning, the whole thing is going to slightly rotate because people probably have a preferred direction. So it may be that everybody does slightly better heading left, so they go further when they go left, and then they don't get all the way back because they don't go as far when they go right. But it'll even out with a bit of practice. Okay, let's try it. 5, 6, Arm Jive Triple Walkaround. It's a back, cross and cross, cross and cross, cross and cross, cross and cross, return and back. And that's it. Hope you find that fun out on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell because that helps boost what we're doing, so big appreciation, and the notification bell means you're not going to miss anything. Music recommendation on the end. One of the windows that comes up in the last few seconds of the video will be a tune that is nice to do this to, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.